So, ngayong araw, magsasolve tayo by substitution. So, palitan natin ang squared variable ng ibang variable para mas madaling makuha yung sagot. So, ito yung first example natin. So, x to the 4th power plus 4x squared plus 4. So, we're gonna find the value of x. So, ang nakahirap nito is mas malaki yung exponents ng mga variables. So, mas mahirap siyang i-factor out kaagad. So, para maging madali, isa-substitute natin ang x squared sa variable na, for example, a. You can use any other letters as your variable, pero we're gonna use a in this example. So, a is equals to x squared. Para makancel natin to. So, ito, x squared, a is equals to x squared. So, x to the power of 4 is just 2x squared, diba? So, x squared times x squared is equals to x to the power of 4. So, magiging a squared siya. Kasi dalawang x squared kasi to. So, dalawang x squared is equals to, or i-multiply mo lang a times a is equals to a squared plus 4a. So, yung a, pinalitan natin yung x squared ng a. Then, copy yung mga constant. So, mas madali nang ma-factor ang equation. So, pag factor out natin, ito na siya. A plus 2, quantity A plus 2. So, naka-group na sila. So, substitute ulit yung value ng A. So, sa A is equals to x squared. So, magiging yung A, ibabalik natin yung x squared na value. Yung true value ng A. So, x squared plus 2, tapos ito x squared plus 2. Kunin yung value ng x. So, transpose mo yung 2. So, x squared is equal to negative 2. Tapos, absolute value na yan. So, absolute values of 2, square root of 2 na siya. So, kakancel natin yung square, di ba? So, magiging square root of 2 na siya, plus and minus. Plus and minus kasi kapag dalawa yung answer dapat nito eh. So, it's either plus or minus. Pag naka-x squared yung value. So, dalawa talaga yung answer niyan. Then, ito, same lang. So, yung value ng x is square root of 2 at negative square root of 2. So, gawa tayo ng isang example pa. So, ito naman, x to the 4th power plus 3x squared minus 18. So, substitute ang x squared sa variable b na naman. So, b na naman yung gagamitin natin example. So, you can use any letter for the variable you want. So, b is equals to x squared pa rin. So, since x to the power 4 pa rin siya, so b times b is equals to b squared. Plus 3, yung value ng b which is x squared, yung x squared papalitan natin ng b, tapos copy yung constant. So, madali na lang natin ma-factor yung equation. So, b plus 6 and b minus 3 because you can calculate or you can do it manually. Basta ito yung lalabas na answer. Yan. So, kasi ito, 6 minus 3 is 3. Tapos, 6 times 3 is, positive 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. So, ito yung value niya pag na-factor out nyo. Then, substitute ulit yung value ng b sa b equals x squared. So, ano ba yung value ng b? It is x squared. So, ito, substitute natin ulit. Tapos, yun, transpose mo yung constant, then square root mo para makancel itong squared both sides. So, 4 yung answers natin. So, ito, positive square root of 6 at negative square root of 6. And meron din positive square root of 3 at negative square root of 3. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.